Hello.
Hey,
Hi there.
how, yeah, my name is Rakibul Islam. How about you?
Uh, my name is Mark. Sorry, you said that too quickly. I didn't catch your name.
Yeah, Rakibul Islam.
Rakib Bulsa.
Yeah,
Okay.
uh, you're from New Zealand, right?
Yes, I am.
Yeah,
I am.
it's. I just read your descriptions a little bit and just called
Okay.
it to practice my English.
Okay. Good. Good. Your English sounds good. Um, I'm interested why you have a green screen, or is it just
Well, the background is green screen just because I'm making YouTube videos, and that's why
that
I.
was?
Yeah, yeah.
I thought so. Are you a YouTuber? Okay.
Well,
Cool.
kind of not a really popular YouTuber, but I'm recently started YouTube channels to practice my English with my friends,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
and to be exact, I want to inspire my friends to how to communicate with foreigner like native speaker like you, or like I have had a 3 class with other Cambly teachers, and I uploaded all the video to my YouTube channels, and they told me that it was inspiring, and that's why I'm
Okay.
trying to. Yeah.
Good.
So can
And
you?
are you
Yeah.
recording us now?
No, it's not recording. But
Okay.
if you give me permissions, I will record later on.
Okay, I do. I would give you permission. No problem.
Well, thank you so much for that. So specifically, I want to give me something specific things about the pronunciation, because I don't know
Okay.
how am I sound right now, but I want
All
to
right.
improve my sounds. I want to improve my pronunciations level like the native one. So what should I do?
Uh, my advice is to listen to podcasts,
Yeah.
which are freely available in many places. YouTube and Spotify and iPhone have access. You can have access to podcasts. The reason I recommend podcasts is because in uh, English lessons and also in audiobooks,
Yeah.
you get an unnatural pronunciation. People are trying very hard to speak very clearly.
Yes.
And that is helpful for learning, but as your goal is to communicate with natives
Yes.
naturally, then you need to listen to natives communicating with each other naturally.
Well, just to know you that I have listened, or I am listening, I should say, I am listening just 3 to 4 hours every single day. It should be podcast
Wow.
or any of the YouTube lectures they gave me on various topics. I learned everything. Just to know you that I have watched 700 to, yep, I should say 700 to 1,000 TEDx text video, and that's helped me quite a lot to. Uh, yeah, to know
Wow.
how to communicate with friends, how to make sentences, and that's helped
That's
me quite a lot.
that's great. Sorry, we've just been interrupted by my son. I'll be a little bit. I'll see you
It's
soon.
okay. How old is
Sorry.
he?
He's 7.
8, 7. Well,
Yeah. So actually, you've already done. You are doing the things that I recommend for English students to do.
well,
Um,
yeah.
the listening is the key. We listen first, and that informs our speaking. So yes, you need practice speaking. That's obvious and true.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to practice speaking to get better at speaking, but
Yes.
it is from listening that we learn the most about speaking.
Yes.
And so as you probably know already, maybe have thought about, babies
Yes.
listen for 1 to 2 years before they
Yes.
speak.
Yes. Yes.
You get a 1-year-old baby is just making noises, but they are trying to imitate and copy, but they are still just listening, mostly listening.
Yeah. They're just listening and realize what they are saying with the environment.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
how they
but
learn.
that's right. But a 1 to 2 year old child will comprehend and understand a lot of what you say even before they can speak. So
Yeah.
listening comes first.
Well,
And
that's the part I have done
yeah,
quite a lot. That's
hmm
helped me quite a lot. Yeah.
right.
Yeah, continue,
And
please.
to do with specific pronunciation styles, um, it might be worth focusing on what kind of accent you want. You know, if you want a British accent or American accent, I know a lot of people care
Yes.
about this. Um, and if you have plans to travel to a particular country, you might want to listen to their accent to pick up their idioms as well. Um, but yeah, just in general, a variety is going to be the most helpful thing. If you
Yes.
listen to a variety of different accents and different voices, you will get the most benefit.
Well, I want to ask you something about the IPA. It's the International Phonetic Alphabet. Would it be helpful for me to learn?
Uh, I don't know. I haven't learnt it.
You haven't learned it because you
No.
gained your accents
Yeah,
by
yeah.
naturally. Yeah, you're a native speaker. I know.
So,
I have
um,
heard quite a lot about New Zealand, and I support New Zealand's team sometimes.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
When they're
they're
not playing
quite
your
good.
team,
Yeah,
yeah.
I am from
Uh,
Bangladesh. I don't know you
right.
know about that or not.
I do.
Do you know
I
about
do.
Bangladesh?
Not too much. I know where it is, uh, but I don't.
Yes, Southeast Asian country.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know a lot about it, although I
But
know that Desh means country.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So we enjoyed the last final you had with the England, UK,
The
the World
cricket.
Cup cricket.
Talking about
Yeah,
cricket. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I'm talking about the cricket.
yeah. Of course.
I have a brother who loved about New Zealand all the time. He support New Zealand's team, and he loved the player they played New Zealand's team. New Zealand's team has certain players. They are kind of dedications are different than Bangladeshi players or the Indian
Right.
players. Like Brandon McCallum, my brother is crazy about him. He loved
Okay.
him exactly. Yeah, he has the a T-shirt of New Zealand's team.
Wow. That's
So
cool.
he's quite mad at New Zealand.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not saying mad at. Mad at means I'm saying he's
Mad
quite
about.
mad
Mad
about.
about.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool.
and I know a lot of things about your president. I don't know you
Prime
call it
Minister.
president, so prime minister. Yes,
Yeah.
sorry about
In New
that.
Zealand, we have a Prime Minister.
So she's the kind one, as I know about her.
Yeah.
And as
It's
we
so funny.
yes,
That you mention our Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern. I live um, outside of New Zealand. I've lived abroad for 7 or 8 years. I think 8 years, and I really admire Jacinda Ardern. I'm so proud of New Zealand for electing her. The prime minister before her was not a
yes,
good guy, in my opinion. Um,
yes,
so I'm really proud of the things I hear about New Zealand's prime minister. Like a foreigner, I think, wow,
yes,
it's good.
yes.
I also hear from other people, like in Turkey, my colleagues when I was there, they said, "Wow, we wish we could have Jacinda Ardern as the
Yeah,
leader of Turkey."
I wish that same thing. That
When
we
I
wish.
talk,
Yeah.
yeah, when I talk to my mother in New Zealand, she has nothing good to say about Jacinda Ardern.
Oh, but I think in Bangladesh, she's quite popular about
Yeah,
among the young generation. So she's
mm,
like kind of idol.
yeah, she's very popular around the world as a humanitarian, as her response to the terror attack in
Yes,
Christchurch. Um, just in general, her attitude, the things she says, the things her government are doing, I think are great and good.
yes,
But at home in New Zealand, my own mother, doesn't like it because she
Well,
sees she sees problems. But
well,
I don't
there
know.
would be
It's
some
funny.
people always who hate someone. That's
Yeah,
exactly simple
yeah.
in life, because you
My
cannot
my
be
mother's
yeah. Continue, please.
okay. My mother's concerns are at home in New Zealand. My own mother doesn't like it because she
Well,
sees she sees problems. But
well,
I don't
there
know.
would be
It's
some
funny.
people always who hate someone. That's
Yeah,
exactly simple
yeah.
in life, because you cannot
My
be
mother's
yeah. Continue, please.
okay. My mother's concerns are about tax and inflation and the cost of living and things like this. And she says that all of this humanitarian and the New Zealand's response to the pandemic,
Okay.
COVID-19, all of this is costing taxpayers money. But
So
yeah,
yeah.
uh, that's her argument. But I think I prefer my opinion to my mother's.
No, no, yeah. Everyone has their right to have their own kind of opinion about
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah,
Kind of politics is not really well to talk about, because there would be certain people who talked about the positive side and someone who talked about the negative side. That's totally fine. I know, I
right.
understand, because
Yeah, yeah,
we are
yeah.
living we are living democracy. It's obviously democracy, but I know certain things that are not right, but I cannot talk about that, because I don't have that
Right.
much power to talk about. But it's
Yeah,
obvious that politics is not really well in whole world. I'm saying the whole world. It's not really well right now. In
that's
21st
right.
century, we all know that the politicians, how they are played with the citizens of that country.
Right.
It's like
Yeah,
that.
we see it in a few countries that are very famous in the news, very popular in the news, like USA and
Yeah.
China and these. But
Yeah.
in general, many countries around the world have a dysfunctional system, and
Yes.
including the democracies. The democracies are not perfect in any way, and they can be abused by wealthy and powerful people. And it's true. It's a global thing. The
Yes.
the the dysfunction of the state is something that's happening all over the world.
Yes, that's totally fine. Yeah. So, but it's 2 minutes left. So, tell me about yourself sometimes. Where do you live right now?
Okay, right now I am in Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, I've been
Kazakhstan.
here for 1 week.
Well, you're doing any kind of service there?
No, my wife is Kazakh. She's from Kazakhstan. We're with her family right now. Um, I we were living in Turkey until last week.
Yeah, a little bit before you said about the
Yeah,
Turkey colleagues, so I thought you were
yeah,
living in Turkey right now.
yeah.
But
So we lived in Turkey for 6 years, and I was teaching English in a school in Turkey. The school closed down. It's gone out of
yeah,
business.
about pandemic situation.
No, actually, it's a very big school with many campuses all over Turkey, and uh, somebody was stealing money from the company.
Yeah, the corruption has their
Yeah,
own system.
yeah. It was
Yeah,
embezzling. Do you know this word embezzling?
I don't know any alternative words for that.
Um, stealing.
Stealing. Yeah,
Yeah,
thief
yeah,
who
yeah.
stole something. I understand.
Somebody who worked for the company, maybe
Yes.
an accountant. I don't know who it was, but somebody who worked for the company took money regularly for many months or many years, and they disguised their stealing.
With
And
that money. Yeah.
yeah, that's what embezzling is. It's stealing again and again and again over time when you
So they
work for the company.
they're repeatedly
Repeat,
stealing money from that company.
yeah, from the when you steal money from your boss regularly,
Yes.
that's embezzlement. Yeah,
Well, so I think there's 30 seconds left.
yeah,
Thank you so much for your kind patience to talk with me, and it was nice
no
talking
problem.
to you. How
Nice
old are
talking
you?
to
You
you.
are saying?
I'm 47.
You're 47. Well, I'm 24, and I'm trying to improve my English little by
Okay.
little. I'm not saying that I can be done overnight. It can be cannot be possible. I know that, but I'm trying to improve every single time that I can. Practice with native speakers, and you
Yeah.
are quite helpful. So thank you so much for helping me.
Thank you.
I wish
Nice to meet
we
you.
can talk again. So nice to meet you.